Hey all, welcome to my channel Blooming Gusto Relish Life with me. Today's recipe is from the Bengali cuisine. It's called Rosh Bora. So, without any further delay, let's dig into the recipe. So here is my sweet dish. Let's taste it. As usual, it's yum yum. I basically already told you I don't like sweet dishes, but if it's homemade, I love it. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new notifications. And of course, do try this recipe at your home. Thank you for watching.